I just left side, wrong. That's the wrong side. That's the wrong side. That's the wrong side. You're on the wrong side, bro. You're supposed to be on the same side as your buddy. It's your buddy. You're on. If I lose at 5 a.m. one more time, I am going to break something, and that's not even a joke. Yo, hit the road, bro. I want cat, not rat. Yo. Yo, tell your buddy, bro, if you're not invited, don't go. Try to click the button. Try to click the button challenge if possible. Someone explain to me why 2 a.m. Getting to 2 a.m. feels like the hardest thing you do in anything you do in your entire life. Doesn't matter what it is. Getting to 2 a.m. takes approximately 8 hours. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Yo, give me one more chance. Why are you still here? Don't be in my room. Alright, you can come to my room. Or not. Or not. He wants to come to my room when they're gonna be on like... Oh, now? Why are you still here? Why are you still here? Jobs, bro, jobs. And we're still making job jokes in October. Like, what are we doing? Don't kill me! Don't do it! Don't do it! We parry, we block, and we dodge. What am I doing? Oh, I'm doing the right thing. Okay. Come on, please! I'm tired of this challenge. It hurts to play, man. Left side. Thank you, bro. Please just follow it. Follow him around. Oh. Please. Right side. Right side. Why is he still here, though? Why is he still here, though? Why is... Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Left side. Left side. Right side. Right side, please. That's the wrong side, X. Once again, that's the wrong side. But I'll forgive you just once. I'll forgive you all day. Ah!